Hello everyone. Welcome back to Kids Zone. Today, we are diving into a delicious and nutritious treat, Equip Foods Chocolate Prime Protein. If you're into clean eating and high quality supplements, this review is for you. Let's get started. First up, let's talk about what makes Equip Foods Chocolate Prime Protein stand out. This protein powder is made with just a few simple ingredients: grass-fed beef protein isolate, cocoa powder, coconut milk powder, stevia, and monk fruit extract. No artificial flavors, sweeteners, or fillers, just pure, clean protein. Each serving provides 21 grams of protein with only 1 gram of carbs and 0 grams of sugar, making it perfect for those on a low-carb or keto diet. Now for the fun part, the taste test. I'm going to mix 1 scoop with 8 ounces of almond milk. Let's see how it blends and, most importantly, how it tastes. Wow, the chocolate flavor is rich and satisfying without being overly sweet. The texture is smooth, and it mixes well without any clumps. I can see this being a great post-workout shake or even a tasty snack. Aside from the great taste, Equip Foods Chocolate Prime Protein has some impressive benefits. It's derived from grass-fed beef, which means you're getting high-quality protein that's easy to digest and free from hormones and antibiotics. Plus, the addition of coconut milk powder provides healthy fats, making this a well-rounded option for supporting muscle recovery and overall nutrition. So, what's the verdict? Equip Foods Chocolate Prime Protein is definitely a win in my book. It's clean, delicious, and versatile. Whether you're mixing it into a shake, smoothie, or even baking with it, you're getting a quality protein source that supports your fitness goals. If you're interested in trying it out, I'll leave a link in the description below. Don't forget to like this video if you found it helpful, and subscribe to the channel for more honest reviews and fitness tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Stay healthy and stay strong.